Number 1. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS, priced at $25,000. This car is located in Climax, North Carolina, and is a great project for someone looking to build or restore a classic. It's a black 67 roller, which means it's a rolling chassis. The car's frame, wheels, and body are all intact, but it doesn't come with an engine or transmission. The car has a clear title, so ownership is verified and transferable. There's no rust on the car, which is a great sign for its overall condition. It also has a full interior, including seats, dashboard, and other components. The suspension is a leaf spring type, common in older cars like this Camaro, and the rear axle is a 4.11 10-bolt rear, giving it a solid setup for performance. The trunk shows a few worn spots, likely from battery acid leaks, but it doesn't affect the car's structure. Originally, it came with a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed transmission, and it was assembled in Van Nuys, California. The engine and transmission are not included in the sale. For weight distribution, the battery and an 8-gallon fuel cell have been relocated to the trunk. Overall, the car is in good condition, and the seller has set the price firm, no trades or negotiations, cash payment only. Number 2. The 1965 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $35,000. This fully restored classic American beauty is a dream for collectors and car enthusiasts alike. Also called the Chevy 2 Nova, it is located in Sikeston, Missouri, and finished in a sleek black paint that highlights its timeless design. The car has been modernized with a 1964 front clip, trunk lid, and taillights, which seamlessly fit the car's design. Under the hood, a powerful 355-stroker engine with aluminum heads ensures high performance. Paired with a 350 automatic transmission, featuring a 2,800 revolutions per minute stall converter and a shift kit, it's ready for performance driving. The upgrades continue with a rear axle from an 80s Chevrolet S10 pickup truck, likely chosen for its durability and gear ratio. The front suspension has been enhanced with a Heights system, offering better handling and a smoother ride. While there's already a lot to admire, the seller hints at even more upgrades not mentioned here. This Nova is a stunning combination of classic charm and modern performance, with negotiation options open for serious buyers. Number 3. The 1966 Austin Healey 3000, priced at $22,500. This classic British roadster, located in Lucasville, Ohio, is finished in white and shows 35,000 miles on the odometer. While not an original Austin Healey 3000, this car has been extensively modified to deliver a unique driving experience. It features a small block Chevy V8 engine, a 350 turbo automatic transmission, and a durable 9-inch Ford rear end. Enhancements include power brakes with front disc and rear drum setup, a Mustang 2 front suspension for better handling, and rack and pinion steering for precise control. The car is in good working condition, with functional lights, gauges, heat, windshield wipers, and even a working radio. It comes with new tires and includes a removable hardtop, making it a versatile choice for all seasons. The seller assures it's ready to hit the road anywhere without a hitch. While the seller is open to trades, they're not interested in motorcycles. Instead, they're seeking trades for other old cars, trucks, rat rods, or hot rods. Number 4. The 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $7,000. Located in Halls, Tennessee, this classic two-door coupe is a great candidate for a restoration project. The car features a 289 cubic inch V8 engine, which the owner describes as running strong, and a 3-speed manual transmission. It's drivable, but the brakes will need some attention, and there are rust issues that will require replacing the floor pans and rocker panels. While the interior is in good shape, the headliner will need replacing. This Mustang could be the perfect rolling project for someone ready to put in the work. At this price, it offers a solid foundation for restoration, with a strong engine and an overall reasonable price tag considering the needed repairs. However, keep in mind that fixing the rust and addressing the brakes could add to the cost. Also, the owner mentioned a potential mix-up with the model year, 64.5 versus 65. So confirming the exact year could be important for authenticity and value. If you're up for a project, this Mustang could be a great way to own a classic car. Number 5. The 1966 Chevrolet Caprice, priced at $17,500. This classic four-door sedan, located in Pine Ridge, Kentucky, features a beautiful burgundy color and has a mileage of 76,000 miles. Originally equipped with a 396 cubic inch big block engine, this car now has a 454 cubic inch engine installed. It also comes with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and power disc brakes on the front. The steering is enhanced with power steering, a tilt steering column, and a telescopic steering column for added driver comfort. The 12-bolt rear end provides a heavy-duty axle, often found in performance vehicles. Additionally, the car boasts new Corvette-style rally wheels paired with new tires. It runs and drives great, and the title is clear, held in the seller's name. Number 6. The 1976 Oldsmobile 442, priced at $17,500. This red beauty is located in Mineral Ridge, Ohio, and is being offered by its second owner, who has had it since 1978. With only about 9,500 of these cars produced that year, it's a rare find. The car is powered by a 350 engine and an automatic transmission, with just 88,000 miles on the odometer. It has been well maintained, always stored and garaged during the winter to protect it from the harsh weather. While the bodywork has been updated, most of the car remains in original condition. The seller believes it's time for this classic to find a new garage where it will be appreciated and cared for by its next owner. Number 7. The 1953 Chevrolet Belair, priced at $15,000. Located in Newville, Alabama, this blue beauty is a custom-built classic that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. While it's a bit of an older build and shows some wear and tear, it still runs and drives well, making it a fun ride for enthusiasts. Under the hood, you'll find a Chevrolet 350 engine paired with a matching 350 transmission, giving it plenty of power. The car also features manual drum brakes and manual steering, offering a more vintage driving experience. The seller is open to trades, particularly for other classic cars or trucks, especially Chevy hot rods, but is not interested in motorcycles, boats, or UTVs. Number 8. The 1966 Buick Lesabre, priced at $21,500. This classic American beauty is located in Selma, North Carolina, and is known for its large size and elegant design. Painted in a striking blue, it has been driven just under 95,000 miles in total, with only a few hundred miles added by the current owner since their purchase in December 2020 from Gateway Classic Cars, a dealership specializing in vintage vehicles. The car has been carefully stored in an enclosed trailer, ensuring it remains well protected and in excellent condition. The Buick features a rebuilt Wildcat 340 cubic inch engine with a modernized fuel system, replacing the carburetor with a fuel pump for improved reliability and performance. All original parts, including the carburetor, come with the car for purists who value authenticity. Inside, it boasts aftermarket air conditioning for added comfort, a modern radio on the dashboard, and a 10-inch bass speaker tucked under the seat to deliver premium audio quality. Described as absolutely beautiful, this Lesabre has been meticulously cared for and is a stunning example of American automotive history. Number 9. The 1974 Dodge Dart Sport, priced at $7,500. This classic muscle car, located in sunny Sarasota, Florida, comes in a sleek black finish. It still sports its original 225 cubic inch motor, but has been upgraded with a Clifford intake and header for better airflow and power. A Holley 390 CFM 4-barrel carburetor boosts fuel delivery, while a dual exhaust system adds performance and a classic rumble. The 5-speed manual transmission, paired with a Hurst shifter, offers precision shifting, and the Posey rear differential improves traction. Styled with American racing wheels and white letter tires, it's got that classic muscle car flair. On top of its performance perks, this Dart Sport has cold air conditioning, making it a pleasure for cruises on hot days. While the car does have some rust in the floors and trunk, it runs well, and all the lights are functional. The seller is open to trades for vehicles from 1960 to 1972, but motorcycles and boats are off the table. Lowball offers won't get a response, so be reasonable if you're interested in negotiating. If you're looking for a piece of vintage American muscle with personality, this could be the one for you. Number 10. The 1970 Chevrolet Caprice, priced at $5,000. Located in Asheville, North Carolina, this classic car drives well but does have some issues that need attention. It features a mild cam engine, which enhances performance, and has upgraded front disc brakes for better stopping power. The car is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with camel hump cylinder heads, known for delivering more power. It also includes a new set of floor pans and a Holley double pump carburetor for high performance. However, the hood has some damage and may need replacing as it's difficult to close properly. The car comes with new tires, brake parts, spark plugs, wires, and belts, but the air conditioning system is currently not working. The windshield has been replaced, and the trunk is in solid condition with no rust. The rear corners and front glass are also in good shape. The dashboard has been replaced with a new one, but it still needs to be installed, and the interior requires a new headliner and carpet. The owner has door handles that are not currently installed but are available. This car is mostly intact with all major parts present, though the owner is selling because they don't have the time to complete the restoration.